What's going on, everyone? This is Zach Shahi, the Dadpreneur, one of the leaders of the Legacy Creators. And it's time, y'all, for another live Zach Fact. Hopefully, you guys have been having a great day on purpose. Listen, as you all come in, you want to tag up your teams. You want to share out this video to anybody in the network marketing industry. Today's live Zach Fact is called Dear Network Marketer, look in the mirror tonight and fire yourself. Yes, fire yourself tonight, and we are going to talk about why. So again, tag up your teams, share this broadcast out, because I guarantee you somebody has been thinking this, right? And I'm just going to talk about it on today's live Zach Fact. I just got off a mentorship call with my mentor, Robert Hollis, and I am completely fired up. My mentor talked about this on today's call, guys, and I just want to give that value back to you all because it is absolutely necessary to do. So, all right, as you all pop in, drop me a comment. Let me know if you're here live or watching this on the replay. And like always, if you are not inside of Dominate Social Media, make sure you join Dominate Social Media after this broadcast. I'm going to give you some free gifts inside of Dominate Social Media from my mentor, Mr. Robert Hollis. So make sure you join Dominate Social Media tonight so you can get access to those free gifts. All right, so let's jump right into the reason why you guys need to fire yourself. I mean, literally, guys, I want you to look in the mirror and fire yourself tonight if you are in the industry of network marketing. Here's why. Most of you that are in network marketing, you have said this to your upline in some point in 2019, at some point in 2018, you have said this to your upline, right? Oh, it's not working for me. Nobody's joining me. What's going on? I've talked to everybody's on my friend list. I've reached out to people and they're just negative. Nobody's joining. It's not working. Yada, yada, yada. Excuse after excuse after excuse after excuse. You have excuse-itis. All right. Now, some of you may get really ticked off with me tonight because I'm going to keep it 100. Type in 100 in the comment stream. What's up, James Martin? What's going on, fam? You in the building? So, listen, guys. If you have excuse-itis, that is the reason why you need to fire yourself tonight. Because what I really want you all to think about is most of you that have excuse-itis, you have been treating your network marketing business as a disgruntled employee. Okay? You've been treating your network marketing business as a disgruntled employee. What's up, Chris Ford? Chris Ford in the building. So think about this, guys. Think about your very first job that you really was passionate about, right? That first job that you would do anything for. I mean, you would show up early to that job. You'll work overtime for that job. You will literally go the extra mile for that job, right? I can remember my very first job when I turned 17. It was a hat store called Lids, right? And I loved that job. I loved that job. Guys, I would literally, when I first got that job, I never wanted to be late, right? So I would literally find different ways I can get to the job to make sure I was on time, right? I would ask my manager all the time, what can I do to get extra hours, right? I was looking for ways that I can get promoted at that job as fast as possible. Why? Because I was grateful for that job. I was excited about that job, right? And some of you are doing the same thing in your network marketing business. You joined the network marketing company. You were excited about the products. You wanted to talk to everybody about the comp plan, right? You were pumped up. You were literally going to do anything possible you could to make this network marketing company work for you. But what happens is, just like on a job, if you work there long enough and you start hanging around negative people, hanging around the water cooler with negative people, right? Guess what happens on the job? You only do enough to get you a paycheck, okay? You do the very minimum, okay? So now, instead of you working overtime, as soon as 5 o'clock hit, you're like, I'm out, peace. All right, gotta go, gonna go home, right? You do anything you can to get away from the job. You are no longer grateful or passionate about it. It's the same thing in your network marketing business, right? You have been in your business And because you are not doing the work necessary to become successful, now you're walking around disgruntled, talking about my upline's not helping me, my team is not doing anything, nobody is signing up. And you start talking to other people who are also not getting results. And guess what? You hang around the network marketing water cooler of people who are not getting results. Okay? You blame everybody in the company, but you never look in the mirror to say, hey, you know what? It's my fault. It's my fault. I stopped doing what is necessary to become successful, in the industry of network marketing. So guys, when you think about an employee, right? An employee gets told what to do. When you get a job, you get a job description. A job description, and your boss tells you what to do. Your boss tells you what time to show up, what time you go to lunch, what time you can leave, when you can take vacation. Your boss is telling you what to do and holding you accountable for the actions that's going to produce the results. Now, when you join a network marketing company, nobody can really hold you accountable except yourself. Okay? Your upline, all they can give you is the roadmap. Okay, your upline can only give you the roadmap, but they cannot make you do the work. And if you guys have ever watched any of my live Zach Facts, I have always told you there is no escaping the work of network marketing. But if you do the work, you will get the reward, right? So nobody's holding your hand, holding you accountable. Nobody can fire you in network marketing except for yourself. So this is the reason why I want you guys to look in the mirror tonight. If you have been making excuses for the first 6 months of 2019 about your business not working for you, ask yourself, have you truly followed the job description? Okay, have you truly followed the instructions from your documented mentor for you to get the results that you are looking for? And I can guarantee you, if you guys are honest with yourself, you will truly say, you know what? I have not been consistent. Okay, I have not been consistent for long enough. I've been having shiny object syndrome. I've been listening to a lot of people who are not documented, trying to teach me to do things they have never done. Guys, if you are honest with yourself and know you have not been consistent, I want you to look yourself in the mirror tonight, fire yourself. But guys, guess what? The great thing about network marketing is you can rehire yourself the next day. Okay, you can rehire yourself and truly make a commitment that you are going to build a business, that you are only going to learn from people who are documented, who have created the success that you are looking to get. So this is the reason why my team can tell you, right? If you're on my network marketing team right now, I tell everybody, I'm only doing what Robert Hollis says to do. That's it. If your name is not Robert Hollis, I am not listening to you. Okay? I am not taking any advice from anybody whose name is not Robert Hollis. Why? Because Robert Hollis has the documentation, and we all know documentation beats conversation. I've seen his documentation. I've seen him help many other people create success stories. So why would I listen to anybody else about how to create success in the industry? Why? Why would I do that? Why would I have my team learn from anybody else except from Robert Hollis, guys? And some of you need to do the same thing. You need to find your documented mentor and do exactly what they say on a consistent basis. Stop creating these Frankenstein businesses where you want to take bits and pieces from all these other undocumented people and then you don't get results. And now it's my upline's fault. Oh, it's my upline's fault. It's the company's fault. The company doesn't have the tools I need. Nobody's joining. No, what it is you are not following basic instructions from a documented mentor to get you the results that you need to get to take care of you and your family and leave a legacy for your family. So if that is you, if you have sat around the first half of the year and you have not gotten the results you want, okay, you have been complaining, you have had excuse-itis because you have not done the work consistently, look in the mirror tonight, fire yourself, and then rehire yourself, but rehire yourself with the commitment that you are going to do in whatever it takes, guys, to become successful. Okay, whatever it takes to become successful. But I can guarantee you, if you find you that documented mentor that's going to give you the instructions, lay them out for you, if you do those instructions consistently, do things in a certain way, you will become successful in this industry once you make a commitment to stop building a Frankenstein business. All right, guys, so that's your live Zach fact for today. Hopefully you all got some value from this. If you did, let me know in the comment stream. And what I want to do for you all tonight is I want to give you some free training from my mentor, Mr. Robert Hollis, who's a documented multimillionaire, has helped 55 other people become millionaires, and over the last year has helped hundreds of other people create full-time incomes on a part-time basis inside of network marketing. So what you want to do is you want to go to this website right down here, roberthollis.com. You want to join our tribe for free. You're going to get access to my mentor's training for free. So I don't care what network marketing company you are in, this training can help you build any company that you are in, okay? So you're going to get access to his membership site that has all the training, and then every single Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern time, you're going to be able to join our Zoom training where he has more network marketing training every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern time. So go to that website, roberthollis.com, get access to the training for free, implement what a documented mentor, guys, is teaching you, and you will have success in this industry. You won't have to fire yourself, okay, on a regular basis, and you will immediately get results fast once you take documentation and you implement what you learn. All right, so you all have a great night on purpose, and I'll see you guys on the next live Zach Fact. We out. Peace.